In this video, we are going to see what is volatile keyword in thread, where do we have to use this volatile keyword, and what is the use of this volatile keyword, and what problem does this volatile keyword solve. So to explain this, I am going to use a super simple example. Suppose we have one variable called flag whose data type is boolean and value we have kept as 2, and assume there are two threads, one is thread 1 and thread 2, which are running. Okay, and in thread 2 we are having one process which is running in the while loop. So what we are expecting, as soon as I will start the application, so in thread 2 this while loop will run because its flag value is true. So to make sure this flag or this while loop is not running in an infinite loop, we are changing the value of flag from true to false in thread 1. So we are expecting after 5 minutes or after some time the value will change and this while loop will break, right? But unfortunately this is not going to happen because the value which we have changed here in thread 1 will not be visible to the thread 2. So to understand this more, let's understand this thing. Okay, so there are two core in our machine, core 1 and core 2, and in core 1 we are having thread 1 which is running, core 2 thread 2 is running. Each thread is having their local cache. So this is local cache thread 1, local cache thread 2, and they have one shared cache. Okay, so now what will happen after some time, as we have seen, the value of flag from true will get changed to false in thread 1. Okay, and that change has happened to the local cache. So the change which has happened in the local cache will not be visible to the thread 2 local cache, and here the value is still true and our while loop is still running in the infinite. Okay, so this change, the value which has been changed, is not visible here, so that's why this problem is basically called the visibility problem. Okay, so now we will see how we can solve this visibility problem. So we can solve this visibility problem by using this volatile keyword. Now we will see how this volatile keyword will solve this problem. So what will happen, as soon as the thread 1 has changed the value of flag from true to false, that value will be pushed to the shared cache. Okay, and here if you could see, the value will change to false. And as soon as the value has been pushed to shared cache is the cache or the memory or the, so shared cache we can say is the cache which is shared among thread 1 and thread 2. As soon as the value has been pushed, the this value will be refreshed to the local cache of thread 2, and here value will change from true to false, and our while loop which was running will get stopped because the value has changed. So this is how we can solve this visibility problem. So this was the use of this volatile keyword. I hope this was pretty much clear to you. If you have any doubt, please comment. I will try to help you. So in this video, this much only. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.